Bakit pati si presidential son, Congressman Sandro Marcos?
Actually, kilala ko si Sandro Marcos. Imposibleng walang alam yan and susunod na yan na i-investigahan natin.
Ganun ba? Ikaw ba mismo nag-iimbestiga ka?
May legal team ako, tapos may mga ibang congressman din akong part ng reformist bloc namin na nagko-contribute din ng mga alam nila doon. Tapos yung mga iba din, mga dating supporters ni Marcos na gusto nang lumaban sa kanila, nakita na palubog na yung Marcos administration. Kasi, well, to be perfectly honest, nakita mo naman yung nangyayari sa military na ngayon. Posibleng anytime magkaroon na ng people power at matanggal na si Marcos.
Are you for a revolutionary government?
Anything that can bring justice to the people, I'm for that. Kasi pag malalaman natin na it's very likely na protector talaga si Marcos kay Romualdez, kay Sandro Marcos. So if President Marcos cannot do his job properly, then yes, I'm definitely for removal of his position.
Okay, but do you give him credit for starting it all? You had a comment about that earlier.
Yes, he did not start it all. At that point, alam na ng mga tao na may mga problema sa flood control anomalies. Alam na nila na maraming magnanakaw sa DPWH. Sinabi lang niya yun para siya yung mabigyan ng credit. But like as I have said and as the people have said, hindi siya wala talaga siyang ginagawa doon. He's not doing anything. It's been months. Tapos wala pang nakukulong. Wala pang yung investigation tuwing may magsabi ng Martin Romualdez. Yun yung i-investigahan nila, imbis na si Martin Romualdez. Kaya wala talagang tiwala yung mga tao sa administrasyon ni President Marcos. At alam nilang hindi makukulong si Martin Romualdez habang si Marcos ang presidente ngayon.
So itong ganitong mga pronouncements mo, yan siguro yung basis why they think it is enough to construe inciting to sedition.
Yes. Because
ganun ba yun? Oo.
But I'm not I speak for the people's sentiments. Ito ang nakita ko na sinasabi ng mga ordinaryong tao, ng mga mamamiyang wala nang tiwala sa gobyerno ngayon. And if that is inciting to sedition, then I will willingly go to jail for that and be imprisoned. Kasi yun talaga ang nakikita ng mga tao. At kung lahat ng magsasabi nun ay inciting to sedition, edi maubos na tayo sa Pilipinas. We'll run out of citizens if we were to say that because everyone is saying the exact same thing. Martin Romualdez is close to President Marcos, and as long as he is close to President Marcos, he will never go to jail or face justice for any of his actions.
Okay.
And the same applies to Zaldico, to Sandro Marcos, or to anyone who could also be possibly involved.
But is there a trail to Congressman Sandro?
Just how Zaldico has a trail to Martin Romualdez, Martin Romualdez will have a trail to Sandro Marcos. Kaya kailangan nilang i-defend si Martin Romualdez kasi pag nahuli na siya, si Sandro Marcos na ang susunod. Kasi siya yung House Majority Leader, siya yung pumili kay Martin Romualdez para siya yung sabi na iboto si Martin Romualdez at siya din yung pumili kay Bogie D para maging House Speaker. Kaya siya yung next na magiging target kung sakaling mahuli na si Sandro.